All right, go for it. Woo! That's right. Hey, great the hell morning. Y'all already know it's your boy Rob 3.5G. And right now I'm gonna give you guys that little cold start I always give you guys with a G. And I have work right now, guys. Sadly, I don't want to go to work, but and there's my alarm again. Every time it's funny because every time I pick up the camera and I start vlogging, I don't know why, for some reason the freaking alarm always goes on, like all the time. Like on the last vlog too, the same thing happened, guys. But let me go ahead and close these vents because my sun coming in. Let's give you guys a little freaking cold start right now. Oh. Let's go, guys. Give you guys that cold start. Opening up the garage. I'm about to go to work right now, guys. Over here to I'm gonna go to Ontario right now. Sadly, I don't want to go. The weather is nice. It's not that bad outside, honestly. I thought it would be worse. Now they said it was gonna be raining, but it's not raining. Look at we got that cold start. That's so big. Just waxed her yesterday. Vacuumed her up. Waxed her up. Man, she looks like I freaking washed her. I didn't even wash her. That's so big. Let this little baby warm up. I'm gonna let this little baby warm up, guys. And it's crazy. Look how the paint looks. I just waxed her yesterday. Quick wax. I vacuumed her up, cleaned the interior up, and it looks like it's washed, but it's not even washed. And I cleaned up the headlights, the tail lights, and I cleaned up the headlights. Look at the headlights, guys. Like, I just always clean up all my headlights and tail lights, all the lights, even the side markers. Look at that shit, looks brand new, guys. It's crazy, huh? Look at that. Super shiny. You can even see my reflection right there. Alright, guys, big your boy Rob, and I'll do the vlog as soon as I arrive to Ontario. So stay the hell tuned for that. Today's gonna be an amazing day. You got Moy right there, sick ass Moy. Moy's gonna come on YouTube. Let's get it, Moy. Alright, it's been your boy Rob, and I was in the vlog. Stay the hell tuned, y'all. Peace out. Alright, y'all. So yesterday, right, I was at a car meet. And I was vlogging the car meet out, and I realized that I saw two little kids with their parents throwing rocks. And I'm not the type of person that doesn't like confronting people because I'm not like that. But I was just chilling vlogging, and I saw those little kids grabbing rocks. And when I saw them grabbing rocks, they were throwing it to the street, to the pavement. And I'm like, wait, I was vlogging and I heard something get hit. I thought they hit the floor. I thought it was like the sound of the rock hitting the ground, but I wasn't sure if they hit my car. Luckily, they didn't hit my paint because they hit my windshield and it bounced up and it hit the ground. Like, it reattached from my windshield and it hit the ground. But as y'all can see, I'm an OCD person, and look what they did. They freaking messed up my red banner. Y'all see those little 3 dots right there? They messed up my banner, so now it's from the outside. I already felt it. It's not from the inside, it's from the outside. So I need to get a new banner. But let me know in the comment section below, guys, what kind of color do you guys think I should get a new banner with? Like, I like red because YouTube is red and white. The letters are white and YouTube's red and white. So I kind of want to keep it red and white, but I don't know what color I should get. I kind of want to get a new color for the banner, but then I'm thinking about it, and I kind of just want to keep it like this with red and white letters for the YouTube because it matches. But I'm not sure, guys. Let me know in the comment section below. What color do you guys think I should get a new banner? Like, what color should I get the banner? I was going to go black, but black is already like a color that everyone has. And if I get black, it won't look that good. But then I'm thinking about it. I kind of want to remove the YouTube play button and remove the lift and just put black with like some white letters. They'll look pretty good like that, but I don't know. I kind of want to keep red, and it's not that big. You can't even tell. You have to get so close. Look it. You could barely even tell. It's right here. See? 1, 2, 3. You could barely even tell the damage, but I for sure want to just get a new banner already. I've been having this one for way too long, and red looks cool, but then I think about it and it's like, it's too plain, it's too simple. I'm not sure what I want to do yet, guys, but let me know in the comment section below. What color do you guys think I should get the banner for my YouTube on the top of my car, guys? And yesterday I waxed her so good, like, it looks crazy. Yeah, and I need to get a new bumper. My front bumper is already so much, like, it's so damaged from the rock, so much rock chips, but I'll be doing that later on. You know, that's something that I don't need to fix right now. I just waxed her yesterday, and my friend neighbor came right now, and he was all like, hey Robert, why does your car look so shiny? You washed it? I'm like, no, I didn't wash it, I just waxed her. It's crazy what wax can do to your car, guys. I just did a quick wax all around, and it just looks freaking new. Like, the paint looks so new and shiny. Like, I always have to keep her waxed, guys. I always got to keep her waxed, and I just cleaned the inside as well, vacuumed her up. But it's kind of crazy to think that that banner ripped because of those kids throwing rocks. Like, I was vlogging like this, right? And I was just vlogging, and then after I heard a boom, I was like, what the hell? I was like, what are these little kids doing? And I thought that little hit was on the ground when the rock hit the ground, like boom. But no, those little kids hit my car, guys. I saw that rock like fly. Luckily, it didn't hit my paint, because that would have been worse. You know, my paint looks okay. I don't know if this was here. I'm pretty sure this was here already from rock shit.
I already know what the dealio is. Or Rock 3.5G. Back at it with another banger.
Alright, y'all see the vape right here? I used to vape at 40 watts. Now I'm vaping at 50 watts. 50 watts, guys, it hires up the wattage, so you vape like you hit a small bit, like a small hit, and you throw more clouds. It's crazy, y'all. Like look at the difference. Look at the difference. Oh, and I just came back from Lake Elsinore and Fontana. Now I'm gonna go to a different route right now, and I'm gonna go to take another engine, another delivery. And there's just so much things to do, guys. We still have to organize the whole shop. There's so much things to do. The shop is messy. That's how it looks like LJDM. Y'all already know what the deal is. Your boy Rock 3.5G. Let's get it, y'all. I'm gonna give you guys that cold start sight. I already started my car. It's currently getting freaking warmed up right now, so it's not gonna be that loud, but I'll go to the car now. I'll show you guys that. We have a customer now that came in, has a GS300, super clean. Y'all wanna see it? Check it out. This shit is hella clean. OEM paint, taken care of on coils. Freaking fresh ass paint, fresh windows, everything, limo tint all around. Look at the interior of this thing. This thing is hella clean, y'all. Like super clean. Like this is one of the cleanest freaking GS's I've seen. Like this thing is hella fresh, like super clean. He has a whole interior like me. Like it's just hella clean, guys, hella clean. But I'm about to go to a meet right now again. I'm about to go home, shower, get ready. He was talking to me about the virus going on, and I'm scared now. Like I gotta be more precautious around people, because I could bring it to my family. My mom and my dad are old already, and they could get it easier than us young adults. We can just fight it off, you know. But is that a Tommy? Us young adults. Sick ass, that's right. Sick ass G35. That shit clean. This time I'll send you the file though.
Hell yeah, bro.
I'll send you the file this time. Remind me though, bro. Remind me, dude. Because I always forget. Like, damn, like every time I upload, I have to like erase everything, you know, just to have more memory and shit, bro. Honestly, are we gonna throw them every Tuesday now?
Yeah, every Tuesday.
Every Tuesday for sure,
put
bro.
you on the flyer, too.
For sure, bro. Oh yeah. Now though, when I get a different job though, right now I'm only doing this because I have time. But later on, I'm probably busy and shit. I won't be able to show up. But still though, all good, bro. That shit clean though, right? Hell yeah. That shit clean. What is that? What kind of car is that? Nova? Why is it doing that though? Because that's powerful. Yeah. What is it, a V8? V8, yeah? Yeah. Let's get off the way. For sure. Pretty park right there. I wanted to park next to you again, but I saw you right there and shit. You were the first one here, obviously.
That's what they got for parking, huh?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure they are, bro. Yeah, sick ass 5.0s. This shit clean. That's right. He ignored me or what? Nah, he didn't know you though, bro. He probably didn't see you. He probably didn't see you, bro. That's why.
That shit's clean though. That shit's clean.
Yeah.
And that one too, the lower extra wheels.
It's funny when nah, that fool see me, bro.
Who?
That
Oh
one.
yeah, but partly because we just give it this girl, maybe. Who knows?
The party say you leave the parking. That's it.
Yeah.
What the fuck is it? Oh, that's my dog.
Oh yeah, sick little dog. That's
Hey,
right.
Rocky
Oh yeah. What kind of dog is it? A pit? No, it's not a pit. Oh yeah, it is a pit. That's
Hey, what
right.
kind of dog is it? Hey,
What's up? What's up, Edgar? How you been, bro? Chilling or what? Where's your whippy at? You got Edgar here. You already know. Where? Oh shit, you came alone or what? Yeah. That's right, bro. I think I saw you last time too. I don't know if you stayed. I think you just swooped by and then you left. Like at the last meet, it was on Sunday, I think.
we're over there.
Yeah, like I saw you roll by over there, and I saw you roll by over there and shit. But I don't know. I think you left. You stayed?
We were me, Ricky, Joe, and Dustin.
No, I was like, that was like recent. I'm talking about like another. Yeah, it was like a Sunday or something, bro.
Yeah, I saw it.
Yeah, oh shit. You just rolled by and then you just left.
Yeah, I was like, it's whatever, you know.
Yeah.
But that shit was cracking.
Yeah.
Remember when they fought over there, no?
Yeah.
I remember that shit.
That time, bro. Hell yeah. It's crazy. Hell yeah. That shit lit though. Dude, I need to use the restroom, dude. I need to use the restroom. I need to use the restroom bad. Like super bad. You already know what the deal is. We out here at Alex 2JDM's meet. Like you already know. He's putting me on the flyer now, but I mean, I told him that I'm gonna try my best to come to the meets possibly every time. He's gonna throw them every Tuesday, but the thing is that I'm gonna get a new job already. Once I get that new job, it's gonna be different. I'm not gonna have my schedule as open, you know. But hopefully, I come to the meets all the time and try to make time for the schedule still, and see if I can still show up to the meets, which I am. I'm gonna try my very best to show up to the meets every Tuesday, y'all. So you already know Pixel 101. Yesterday, I don't know why in the world he threw it at where do you throw it at? SB, huh?
Let me see that
He threw it at SB and shit. I was like, what the
I'm
hell?
gonna keep throwing them though. So
I don't even know why he threw. I don't even know why he threw my.
What? Say it, bro.
Say what?
Keep going.
Okay, guys. So you guys already know what the deal is. You guys show up to the meet. Alex 2JDM. He's gonna be throwing meets every Tuesday, and I don't know why he threw it yesterday on Monday, but y'all already know what the deal is. Keep coming, guys. We're gonna make this shit bigger, and it's gonna get wild. Like honestly, for his page to have the amount of followers he has, like there's a lot of people. He also has another page, but I don't know why he doesn't use it. He has like cars and everything on there. I'm like, bro, use that page. Use it. Like it has a lot of freaking followers on Instagram, guys. But stay the hell tuned right now. We're currently gonna go restroom, and I'm gonna go back to the meet right now and give you guys a little bit more of the car. Stay the hell tuned, y'all. Peace. Oh. Sick, dedicated Danny, that's right. That's right. Hell yeah, I already know what the video is. Woo! Get this shit, bro. Wait, alright, go for it. Woo! That's right. It's crazy.